everyone, I'm Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub-family, thank you so much. So today is just another Tesco haul. We did the click and collect again because that's what I really love to do. That's how I prefer to get my shopping. I'm just going to go through the meals that we're going to have this week and then I will show you the items that I bought. So the first one is pork chops, veg and mashed potato. Then I've got pork pizza. I'm going to put some orzo in it with vegetables, and that is a pinch and on recipe. And then I'm just going to have a nice and easy spaghetti bolognese, and then I'm going to use the pinch and on book again to make a quiche, chips, and have that with baked beans. And then the last one is a bean stew, which is from the Joe Wicks veggie book. So I've still got quite a few meat things in the freezer, so the only thing that I need to go to the butcher's for is some of the minced beef for the spaghetti bolognese. So this is what I've picked up this week. I've got some of the corn sausage patties. I'm going to use these for a breakfast, so I'm just going to pop these in the freezer until I get some of the English muffins. Then I got some corn chicken nuggets. I just prefer these to the actual stuff because the chicken that's in proper chicken nuggets just makes my stomach turn. Some more eggs. I got some of the Bird's Eye hash brown waffles. These are on offer at Tesco at £1. I got some of the chunky fish fingers from Bird's Eye. You get 6 in this pack. The other week me and Dan had some fish finger sandwiches, and they were the Young's chunky fish fingers, and I had it with the Roberts bread, so I bought some more of that with some tartar sauce and some salad, and oh my god, it was so amazing. So that's why I've got some more fish fingers this week. I've got 2 packets. I just think I'm going to crave it. Then I've got some golden delicious apples for work. Then I've got some of the Branston baked beans. Again, I've got 4 tins of these. These are, in my opinion, so much better than Heinz baked beans. Heinz baked beans are so watery, whereas these have got like a really nice thick tomato sauce with them. So if you're willing to give them a go, I definitely would. They are now the new favourite baked beans in this household. Then I've got some of the Tesco mixed baked beans. These are for the Joe recipe that I mentioned. I got a pack of tuna in brine. You get 4 in this pack. Some easy peelers for work. I got a bag of mixed salad, and then I got a bag of spinach. Again with the blueberries and the raspberries. I also got some black grapes. Black grapes are my favourite out of all the other coloured grapes. Some mushrooms. The Muller Lights once again are still on offer. 8 for £3. I got a pack of tinned chopped tomatoes, some more of the bunny bites, and then the semi-skimmed milk. I'm losing my mind, I almost forgot to mention. I got some of the Heinz mayonnaise light one. This is on offer at £2. It's the 815 gram bottle. Then I got some water for my iron, and we got some more of the mature cheddar. So to prove that I don't always just drink blackcurrant, I've got some of the Vimto squash here. These are on offer at £1, so I've got 2 of them. I do have blackcurrant because it is my favourite. I've also got an apple juice as well. I've got 3 onions in this bag, 4 carrots in there, some loose bananas so I don't get banana spiders, some of the UHT semi-skimmed milk for making porridge in the slow cooker, Terry's chocolate orange. We always have one to share, me and Dan. I got some of the Chewits Extreme Sour Apple Chews. These are only 20p and I do like sour sweets. And then I got 2 packs of chewing gum. I got the extra white and I also got the Airwaves. The person who I work with mentioned these the other day, so I'm going to offer him one and see if it blows his head off. But I've been finding that since I've been using chewing gum again after my meals, my teeth feel a lot more cleaner and shinier. I've got some bits to put away for Christmas, so I've got a white chocolate orange, and I've also got some of the Cadbury's Dairy Milk Jingle Bells. These are the hazelnut creams. Some spaghetti for the spaghetti bolognese. I've got Charlie some Win-A-Lot. Thankfully he is eating again now, so we can stick to just the one brand. I've got some hand wash. This is the Baylis and the Harding sweet mandarin and grapefruit, so this is for us to wash our hands in the kitchen. And then I've got a pack of blue ribbons. That is everything on this Tesco food shop. If you've watched it till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye!